Hi, I'm Vielka Almanzar, psychotherapist and CEO of the Insight Clinic. Today's video is a guided visualization to support calm. Educational support only. The key to successfully using visualization as a calming technique is to give yourself a lot of sensory detail. Choose a place that feels safe and neutral, real or imagined, to work with. It might be a beach, a quiet room, a trail, or a chair by a window. And when you have that clear in your mind, take a slow, deep breath with a longer breath out. In your mind, describe to yourself looking around this place and notice colors, shades, shapes, light, shadow, distance, temperature, textures, tastes. What do you hear? Waves? Wind? Quiet? Or soft sound? What do you feel? Warm, cool air, steady ground. Now, add one detail that increases safety. I'll give you some options. A blanket, a door that locks, or a door that's open. A particular person that respects your space or gives you strength, or simply a sign, that could say, no urgency here. If your thoughts pull you away, totally okay. Your job is to bring back your attention to this sensation, the sensation of calm in your body. Choose the part of your body that feels the best and let your mind go where it wants to and let it come back as many times as you need to. Now take one more breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes and name 3 things you see in the room around you. If you're working with a therapist, you can practice this in between your sessions or bring this language into your sessions with them. More resources are linked below. This tool is not a replacement for therapy, but it can be helpful in between sessions. Now, let me know if you found this interesting, if you found it helpful, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And I'll see you in the next video.